Jane to all, welcome back to biology class. Today we are going to study the portion plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is the outermost covering in animal cells and it can be seen inside the cell wall in plant cell. The plasma membrane consists of a lipid bilayer. Each layer consists of phospholipid molecule and this molecule have a head portion consists of glycerol and phosphate, tail region which consists of fatty acid and chain. The head region of phospholipid molecule is hydrophilic, that means it is attracted to water, whereas the tail region is hydrophobic, that is repelled by water. Thus, in a plasma membrane, we can see these phospholipid molecules as a bilayer. This model was proposed by Singer and Nicholson, and this model is known as fluid mosaic model. In addition to this phospholipid molecule, plasma membrane also consists of some other molecules like proteins and cholesterol. Protein molecules are of three types. They are integral protein, peripheral protein and glycoproteins. The integral proteins are partially or totally buried in the cell membrane, whereas peripheral proteins lie on the surface of membrane. One of the most important functions of the plasma membrane is the transport of molecules across it. The membrane is selectively permeable to some molecules present on either side of it. There are mainly two types of transport. They are passive transport and active transport. The movement of molecules across the membrane without any requirement of energy is called passive transport. Neutral solutes may move across the membrane by the process of simple diffusion along the concentration gradient, that is from higher concentration to lower. Water may also move across this membrane from higher to lower concentration, and the movement of water by diffusion is called osmosis. Next comes active transport. As the polar molecules cannot pass through the non-polar lipid bilayer, they require a carrier protein of the membrane to facilitate their transport across the membrane. A few ions or molecules are transported across the membrane against their concentration gradient, that is from lower to higher concentration. Such a transport is an energy dependent process in which ATP is utilized. So this transport is called active transport.